Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Carrying by Sydney, I've got a Porsche 997 Turbo. I think this is the third video, the fourth video I'm showing. That I've taken the coils out. I just want to show you what I found. I found that one there on the other video. That's missing, that bolt there is missing. So, what I'm showing you now, maybe I'll put the hoist down. Have a look at that plug there. See that plug there? Sorry, stay with me. Get a screwdriver so I can point to it. See that plug there? That's what I mean. See that plug there? Usually I'll use a screwdriver just to work it up, work the boot up like that. Usually that boot, that whole boot there is all the way down here covering the actual connector. So what I usually do is put on the side here and then the top side as well, and then just pop the boot up and then pull the boot back until the connector is exposed like this, and then you can see the clip is still on. See that one there? Meaning that connector is clipped on properly. But when I done the cylinder 2 and 3, see, I usually just move the boot up, and the plug just came out. So that means that plug was in there but wasn't clipped on, so whatever was holding it on, actually the only thing holding it on was the actual boot. So you can have a plug in like that but not clipped on. So I've done that one there, it just came off, and now the one at the back there finally got the pipe off from the top. It's hard to see this one here. See that one there? Oh, it's really hard to see. See that one there? Watch this. I'm just moving it up. Oh, it's hard to see. Probably there. Better. You can look at the actual plug. The plug's already, see the clip? The little tang is there, but it's not even clipped on. So that is ready to come off by itself. So the only thing was holding those two together, let me zoom out, was actually the protector boot, because it grabs the coil, it wraps around the coil plug pretty tight. So that one just came out. Easily you press the middle, press that down, like I'll show you now. So easy to show you, don't know what I mean. You press it a little bit down, focus, yep, like that. And then you just press down and then use a screwdriver in the middle, just like that. And then go like that on both sides. And then you can actually take it out with your hand. There's no room here. It looks bigger in the video, but there's no room actually. So nails in there, and then slowly like that. That's what I mean. So the boot, that little boot there, is a really tight fit inside the coil, and that little bolt was holding the actual cylinder number 2 and 3 in. Alright, so that's what happened when someone took it off before and didn't plug it in properly. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.